Hey Adam, it's Mike here from Langley Chrysler. So I thought I'd send you one of many of these classic night edition. This is black on black, but you can see the wheels, the grille, everything's blacked out. I have this truck in white, granite, handful of different blues. Super nice package. We've been selling just a ton of these things. For the money, you cannot go wrong. I like to order them with the bucket seats, center console, 8.4 inch screen, upgraded sound system. This guy's got heated seats, heated steering wheel. Super nicely equipped truck. Under or in and around the 50K mark. Like I say, I got a handful of different colors. I've got access to inventory province-wide, so if I don't have the exact truck, I'll get it for you. I am around Thursday. If you want to come by, drive a few trucks and see if we can find the exact one for you, I'll be around. Just let me know. Hope you're having a great day, man. See ya.